Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to apply tips to orders. In Poshier, tips can be applied either by cashiers or by customers through the fee display. To apply a tip as a cashier, simply tap the tip button and select a tip value from the list. You can update the value by selecting it again. To remove the tip, tap the Remove All button. For customers applying tips via the fee display, just ask them to select a tip from the tipping area shown. You can customize the tip values in the settings. Tap New, enter the tip rate in the field, and then tap Save. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.